Looking at the economic news calendar for the coming week, which is going to be NFP week. We have a reasonable amount of high and medium impact news releases throughout the week. Going over into the charts. This week for DXY, it was looking for price to push up into this CB level. Price got to the lower quadrant, 25% of it, and then began to move away. So now I'm looking at seeing price actually head lower to this target that I've outlined. But the first target will be the previous week's low, which is this red line. Going into the daily, price went into this daily CB, moved away. I'm going to start looking at this up close candle and see if price will act as resistance once it starts to trade into it. On the hourly, nothing much, that's just this week's price action. Because it's NFP week, I'll have to see how price opens on the Sunday, because price could gap anywhere over the weekend depending on whatever news is going on globally. So once we have the opening price and I know where price has opened at, then I will have a better analysis for the first half of NFP week. For GU, I was looking to see price actually move into this BISI level, but instead it took out the previous week's low and then had a reaction from it. I'll be looking to see price reach up into this high, but first this high from previous week as a target. I'll also be watching this down close candle to see if it can act as support for price. And again, because this NFP week, I'll have to see what the Sunday opening price is to gauge further information on what levels might be used in the first half of the week to move to a liquidity level. A euro went into this weekly BISI and it's reacted, so I'll be watching the high up here as a potential target.